Good evening. Welcome to my program. I'm Dinesh Vijayavardhana, and today we're going to learn. I'm going to start with a brand new topic, which is one of the first theories that we come across in engineering science, mechanical engineering science. So if you study for mechanical engineering, this is the right place to learn the topics associated with the mechanical engineering. So first, today we're going to discuss the first topic of engineering, which is thermodynamics. Now let's get on to the topic. What is thermodynamics? So I have written it down so everybody can see what are the general terms of in order to have a thermodynamic system. So the first point it says is science of energy interaction between material systems. So when there is a material system, it could be something food, or it could be or even a chemical reaction, or it could be even something in the freezer, so the energy interaction between a material is called thermodynamic. That's one point of a thermodynamics. And then the second term is the science of energy transfer and effect of physical properties. So science of energy transfer and effect of physical properties of substance. So how the energy, so in mechanical engineering or physics we call energy E. So it could be either heat, it could be a light, or it could be dynamic energy, or potential energy, or it could be even electric energy. So it could be either any sort of energy transfer and its effects on physical properties of the substance. So for example, if it is a metal surface, so the energy transfer between, like for example, in bridges you have the metal beams. So those beams, with the heat of the atmosphere, they get expanded. The beams get expanded, get longer. So that expansion there, that's not energy expansion. So in that sort of scenario, that happens due to heat. So the properties of the material changes, properties of the iron changes due to energy transfer. So that's what it basically means of energy transfer and its effects on physical properties. Physical properties of the beam or any other system we talk about. Physical properties mean how the molecules changes, how the particles change. So these particles should change because it's an expansion. So that's what it means in the second term. And then the last term is science that deal with transformation of energy. So, and it says one form to another. So science that deal with transformation of energy from one form to another. So that's what I mean by heat. So in a thermodynamics, for example, we have like a cake. We have a cake, and we put it in the refrigerator, so it cools down, so it loses the heat. It loses the heat. So and that therefore physical properties. So any system, the heat or light or dynamic, can change. It can change of with the transformation of energy from one form to another. One form is either heat, one the light. So light energy can transfer into the heat, and potential energy can transfer to dynamic energy, or even the heat energy can transfer to electric energy. Electric energy can transfer to heat energy. So that is what it means by. So if you complete all these functions, then it will be a thermodynamic system. Now let's look at what a thermodynamic system in detail. So these are the requirements in order for thermodynamics to happen. Now we look at what is a thermodynamic system. Before that, we'll see what these thermodynamics is applied to. So thermodynamics applied to designing internal combustion engines, and then you can design steam engines, because all these systems are thermodynamic systems. And you can steam and gas turbines, or even fuel cells, which is a much of modern function. And then it can also thermoelectric or thermoionic generators. So you can design all these using thermodynamics. And then also, in separate to that, you can design refrigeration systems, or you can design the reverse function of it, or its similar function, the air conditioners, which we use everywhere. So all these things can be designed using thermodynamics. So that's basically what the general idea about thermodynamics. What are the properties that required, and then it's how it affects the system. So thank you for listening. Next time we'll discuss about how the thermodynamics will system is. So thank you for listening. Bye for now.